Okay, today I'm showing how to make a satisfying new block, Eiffel Tower block, Eiffel Tower block. This is so satisfying. First, you need a big block. You need a medium block attaching this place, attaching this place again. Okay. You need and again this. This thing needs 4 times. Okay. 1 time, then 2 times, then 3 times, then last 4 times. 4 times. Okay, pick 2 and this like this. Okay, then you need a big block touching this like this, like this, and touching this like this again. These 2 more. Okay, then you need a small block like in this place. Bro, this is not strong. Then you need a big block. Okay, in this place. Another big block need in this place. Okay, another big block need in this place. Okay, put it aside. They need a big block, another big block, another big block, and touch it like this. Okay, attach like this again. Attach like this, bro, again. Neat. Attach like this again. Attach like this again, bro. So many times. Obviously, attach like this again. Bro, attach like this again. Touch like this again. Attach like this again. So attach like this again. Last time. Okay, bro, done so many times. Then okay. Then attach like this. Attach like this, bro. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, bro, look. So satisfying. Then you need a medium block. Okay, like this. True. Just like this again. 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 Just like this again, bro. So many times again. Just like this again. Just like this again. Just like this again. Just like this again. Last. Just like this again. Okay. Done. Then this. Oh, so big, bro, so big. I just like this again. I'm showing, bro. Like this. OMG, bro. Look, literally. Oh. Then you need a small block. Just like this again. 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 Sorry. Just like this again. Just like this again. Just like this again. Done. I'm sharing. That you have to do it in this place. Okay. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. Oh my god. Bro, this is so satisfying. My Eiffel Tower. 10 out of what? Tell me in the comment please. Wow. So good. So, okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, goodbye friends.